filtered out from the wildfires, I'm guessing. Can't see the mountains very well this morning. And Jim is already down at the shop, so we don't have our daily gator scene.
Morning!
Morning, Tracy.
This is what we're doing this morning. You got a baby pumpkin?
No, I found some!
Oh.
I grew them for the kids and they come over and we have a pumpkin party.
Oh, fun!
Mom, what'd you say you needed? Big bowl. Oh, okay. We gotta bring in the big guns.
We're on day 12. Brett says there's supposed to be more showers today, so I'm gonna try to get done as much as we can before something like that starts up, of course, and we start playing the cloud game again. So let's see what the day brings. Okay, before we can do anything, the grain bin lids need popped up. We got 2 of them that haven't done it yet. I would say something, but I know that the machine will tell them that they need to pop them up. There we go. There's one. There we go. The time that we used to have to go up there and manually open and shut those isn't that long ago. So when we made the move to the automated, push the button and the lids opened, it was a good day. Sort of kind of got a traffic jam going on here. So in the morning when we turn on the computer, maybe I can try to do that tomorrow if I think about it. You got to go through certain steps here on this control panel to get everything started up. So that's kind of what was taking some time, I'm sure. You got to get your stuff ready for the day. Plus then you got to get your GPS tuned in. So you got to get your GPS button pushed there and lined up and you're ready to go. Gone are the days that you just start the key and you start cutting. All this technology has added steps, but it has also made driving these combines a whole lot easier because they basically drive themselves. Well, sorta, kinda. Get in line here and we'll get this day started. This is number 4 times that we've tried this field, and it was way too high for moisture and the straw was way too tough. If you remember, we had a couple of combines get plugged right away. So let's see what it looks like now. So far grain is dry, showing 10% moisture. Lots of straw. I can feel the engine wanting to pull down, so I'm gonna have to slow the speed down a little bit. Shows 120 bushel. 135. Yeah, gotta slow her down even more.
Sounds good, thanks. Brad, did you pinch your concave down to clean her? Are you happy with how clean it is at 15? Sometimes, Dave, the stars line up.
I had to give some room to the wheat hog because he was going faster than me, so I'll just take my place behind it.
It currently shows about 1450. Okay.
Constant chatter on this radio trying to keep everything in line. Trucks rolling.
Where's that?
Carts going.
I'm in Alfalfa. Okay, I didn't know you were down there, Bryson. I'll get a load for you. Jesse, can I steal that combine from you? Yeah, I just gotta get out of here. Hey.
Lots of bushels means lots of movement. Lots of movement means everybody needs to stay on top of their game. This is all new and different to me with multiple combines, multiple trucks, multiple carts. It takes a lot of organization to make it happen. And these guys are doing a great job. Multiple times I've been asked how many are on the crew. I think I counted 13 or 14.
I didn't know that Bryson was in the field, Ellis, so I'll go fill him. And then, yeah, we can probably fill you on the south end.
I think I counted 13 or 14, maybe 15 or 16, somewhere in there. But it takes a lot. It takes a lot for something like this to happen. Look, everybody's got their augers out.
And Dave and Dennis got a little more horsepower than we do. Perfect, Connor. I'll meet you in the alfalfa. I'm good.
Sometimes you just gotta put your feet up because your legs get tired of being bent all day. Wish they would invent something here that maybe you could pretend like you're riding a bike. Get some movement with your legs.
Alright. You can work your way over here, Connor.
No time for naps today, huh, Whit?
No dozing.
Now we got trucks coming out to the field to try to keep things rolling. There's not much idle time, that's for sure. we're about to get this one whipped. Well done, crew, well done. Probably one of the better fields Jim or I have ever been in our life. Dry land wheat. Anywhere from 100 to 150 bushel wheat. Amazing. And the well-oiled machine did awesome.
The rest of them go to the yard, get ready for supper. Okay, I'll let them know. I called Willie, he knows. Is there room to top you off, Scoot, so that the rest fits in here? I think it must be lighter weight, so I think I can hold it all, but I don't know. There's a little room. I might come top you off before they fill me. Sounds good.
No idea what all these little bugs are on my window. Guess maybe I'll find out. I don't know if they're gnats or what. Supper's over now, and we are about to open up a brand new field. And see if it decides to rain on us tonight. Maybe we'll get lucky and nothing will happen.
Yeah, take it to balance. Nick bunks the bin. 2 rings left in it. Okay.
We're back in some really nice wheat again, but as you can see, it's a very dirty, and I have no idea what those little bugs on my windows are. Nobody seems to know what they are. Windows were cleaned for about 5 minutes after supper. If we had just a little bit of wind today. And so far there's no threatening looking clouds. So far. Thank goodness for auto steer.
You want to rip up here, Jeff? I'll clean out on you. Going into the road. Hey!
See the combine in front of me? Yeah, me either. Hope he doesn't put on the brakes really suddenly or something. There he is. I don't think I'm going to get any of the beautiful sunsets like I have in the past several nights. Looks like there's some cloud cover that's going to prevent that from happening. Sun's just peeking out a little bit as it goes down behind the rest of those heavy clouds on the horizon. It's still pretty. at sunset is being affected by dust and smoke in the air. It is quite red and it's going down fast. And there's one of those stupid bugs. So what I'm doing right now is referred to as deadheading. So rather than cutting back, we were told just to cut to the east side and then deadhead to the west side and unload, get parked for the night, and call it a day. And no rain. So, as the sun goes down through that cloud,
Cool looking. Yeah, I was admiring that a minute ago. It is really pretty.
hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.